Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to build your very own mobile app using the Wix Mobile App Builder. No coding, no technical skills needed. So first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or laptop, and here in the search bar, you need to search for wix.com/app builder. Once you are on this page, you need to either click on the sign up option in order to create your account if you don't have an account on Wix, or you can even just simply log in into your account. Now over here you will see the build with AI option. So first of all you need to click on this option. Now select whether you want to create a mobile application without a website or you want to create it with an existing website. So I'm going to be selecting the first option and press continue in the bottom. Now again it is going to ask you whether you want to create your application with the help of AI or you want to set up it without AI. So if you select the start chat option, you need to give the prompt over here, and it is going to be just taking some time to create the app for you. But I would recommend you to select the second option and you will be landed on this page where you need to select the type of app that you want to create. So here you will see some of the examples like online store, blog, restaurant, etc. So let's say I want to create a fitness trainer application, and here we have further options like let's say among the given options I want to create an online fitness class. Now click on the continue option here. It will take some time and prepare the dashboard for you. With the help of that dashboard, you will add more functionalities to your application. Now, as you can see, this is our dashboard where you need to choose the name of your app. In the right hand section, you will see how your application is going to be looking. So since my application is relating to fitness, so I'm going to be writing the name like fitness XYZ. Now if you want to upload the icon for your app, make sure that you do it over here. Then press next in the bottom right hand corner. Now you need to select your application's theme. So here you will see a bunch of different colors templates. So you need to select any of the color palettes over here. Let's say I want to select this one. After selecting it, simply click on the next option. Now you can adjust the navigation layout. You can select at the bottom tab bar just like so, or you can select the top tab bar. So whichever you like, you can select that. I'm going to be selecting the second one and press next. Now if you want to preview your application on your mobile, you can simply scan this QR code and you can just take a look at how your application is built. Now press next and continue to the edit application section. Now here you will see the preview of your website that will look something like this. So this is the application that you have created. Now if you want to just simply scroll down and you can add the links over here. If you want to design it further, you will see the customization option in the left and the right hand section. Once you are done editing, click on the save option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Select the option of don't show again and click on the setup option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.